subscribers and hello YouTube viewers. This is going to be a relatively short little video. It's a country homestead. Now I'm travelling to a small town to have a bit of a wander, a cup of tea and all that sort of stuff, and I've stumbled across this. We're just sort of outside of Ballarat. This might be known to a few people, but I thought I'd get the drone out and show you what it looks like. And there's really no road access to this property, so the only chance of actually having a relatively close look is with the drone. So I'll spin the camera around, show you where it is. It's in a huge open field for farming, so this should be quite good. So you can probably hear the sheep in the background, also the odd raven. And as you can see, this is a single track, single road for traffic, and that's the property that I'm going to try to drone to. It is very windy, and we'll see how we go. So here we are at the end of the video. It's a short one. The wind was just too strong. On my little monitor that I've got to control the drone, it was giving every warning sign saying, you know, return back to base, it's just too windy. I hope I got enough in. Look, if you did like the video, by all means, click on that like button or that thumbs up icon. Please consider subscribing. Subscribing doesn't cost you 1 cent. But most importantly, stay safe, commute safe, and have a great day. And thanks for watching this short little video.